here's my Frigidaire 8K BTU window unit. Yeah. It's a little bit noisy, but it's quiet. Whatever you want to say. It blows it's actually very cold actually. Here's the plug. Filter's in there. I'm not gonna take it out because there's tape to help the rattling stop. I'm not sure what model it is, but I'll have to look. 562. There's an extra label. It has a Welling fan motor. I can take a look at the back for you. I'll do it right now. Here's an Arctic King. There's Frigidaire, I was just showing you. Don't mind the bugs. Here's your logo. Warm. Let's check the link. That's the unit. You hear two little vertical vents. Two vents right here with the little whatever. See them? Two vertical vents right here. The compressor. Whoa. The compressor is a Quenga. So this is the R14A. So 8,000 BTU, like I said. Get some insulation. May not be the best, but it'll do. A little bit dirty. The accordion is a little bit dirty. I installed it myself, all of them. It's a little bit broken right here. Cracked. This one's at least snapped in half. But it's fine. It still works. Yeah, if you take a look at the bottom of it. Feel free to. It's not in my way. But yeah, so that's it.